So as a part of data science and business analytics task in the internship at GRIPS, the first task, so prediction using supervised machine learning, that I need to predict the percentage of student based on the number of survey. And here is the given data, as you can see. So using this, I have to predict what will be the predicted score if a student studies 9.25 hours per day. So as the given condition is this one, I need to proceed for the solution. So I used uh, Google Colab to predict the score. As you can see, prediction using supervised machine learning. What will the predicted score of a student if he studied 9.25 hours per day? So first, let's import the required libraries like pandas, SPDs, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaport. So I imported the given libraries. Then I I load the data. So for loading this, I came to file here. I upload from here file, and I went for the specific location. I upload the file, and then I took a path from here. I copied the path, and here it is given student is equals to pd dot read underscore csv, and I given that path, and I'll run the code. So you can see the code is executed very well. Next, I check whether is there any values available in the score and hours. So there is no any values. Then I take the description of this one. So description basically it is to give us a mean, count, maximum, minimum, standard deviation, etc. As you can see. Then I check the shape of the given data set. So it comes 25 into 25 to, that is 25 rows and 2 columns. So columns of hours and hours and score. Then I took the basic info about all these things. So it is given that total number of rows. Then I use a histogram to plot a students according to their hours of studies. And one more for their score. I created the histogram. Then as a box plot I use for this one SN curve, SN box plot. So box plot is used to give us the outliers, whether it is present or not. So here you can see there is no outliers present in that. So later I choose the scattered plot, which will give me the plot that is hours of study and the score, all in percentage of score and hours of study. So based on that, I choose one my target variable and one is our dependable. So I choose a target variable that is given us to the score, and our dependable variable is hours. So I choose this one, hours and score. Then I split the data into train and test using a test size as a 20% and train as a 80. I given this one. Then I took a linear regression model because we have only one variable which we our target, and one is an independent variable like x and y. So I feed the linear regression model. Then again I took a QQ line using the plot. So here you can see the yellow line, that is line, and that blue dots, that is our score. It is all falling near to the line. So our prediction is good, it shows. So I predicted the data based on the test. Now as you can see, I have given this another name and make it the data frame using the two things, that is the first column is actual, another column is predicted. Now I choose our given target, that is hours, is equals to 9.25, and prediction, that is lr dot predict hours. So I put in that. So once I will run this one, I will get the executed result as number of hours per day, 9.25 hours. So predicted score will be 93.69 percentage. So that's all for the first task assigned for me in the GRIPS